west of Polo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Thomas, or 17 miles north of Kewaunee, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tampico, Hoopo, Deer Grove, Yorktown, New Bedford, Thomas, and Normandy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect